Hey everybody, Tony Fish with Peak Auto Auctions. I'm here to show you our brand new Peak Auto Auctions app and how to buy and sell with Peak. Now, you're going to see right here really quick the buyer section. What you're going to see is if you click on that buyers, it's going to take you to a quick map, and on that map you can click on, say, Texas, and it will show you all of the auctions within that state, and you'll be able to bid and buy vehicles straight off of here in one simple place. The other section is the seller section. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail with this section today and show you guys how to sell vehicles with peakautoauctions.com. So what you'll do is just log in using your email and your password that we give you at that time. So let me do that really quick. Now that I'm logging in, you're going to see a bunch of auctions come up. You're going to see, I'm more of an admin, so I get to see a bunch of the auctions, but when you'll have just one auction here. Say it's test 7 is your auction. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to see right here, I already have vehicles in here that I've uploaded. If you obviously haven't uploaded, there won't be anything here. All you'll have to do is go down to the very bottom and push either the plus button, or you could push the scan button. And once you push that scan button, you could then go, as you see right here, I'm going to scan a code. Once it's scanned, you see, oh, it actually started uploading all the information and shows you, oh, it's a Honda CRV, there's the VIN, there's the year. Now you can go in and actually put miles, put color. You can go and put, if you actually do have keys, you can push, it has keys, it drives, it runs. Obviously, if you don't know, you can leave it as unknown and then put any kind of notes that you need. Now, before you push save, one of the things the last things that you do is just come up here and actually be able to take pictures. It's made it pretty simple. You can pull it from your camera roll, or you can actually go to your actual phone and take pictures live if you're at the car right now. So as I go through this, you take it, you push use photo, then you push cancel when you're done. Now we do ask that you take 4 pictures of the outside, 2 of the inside at least, so that you get the best effect through the auction, so the people can see your cars and you get the most bids on those vehicles. So if you do have any questions, please feel free to give any of us a call that sent you the login information. All of our phone numbers and emails will be on there, so you can reach us anytime. Feel free to reach out to us, and if you have any questions, we'd love to answer them. Thank you.